How's it going, everyone? This is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the stand on your Nintendo Switch. If say it's broken for some reason, or I don't know, whatever the case may be, it's very easy to replace. You pop it up as if you open the stand and you kind of pull to one side and it'll pop right out. It's on this kind of spring mechanism. So that's how you pop it out. And say yours is currently broken, right? You grab your replacement piece, and then you'll see in here there's two holes on either side, and you have this kind of divot here, right? So you just kind of line this up with the holes in there, pop it in, press down, and you're in. Very easy, nice and easy to repair. So if you need any parts that I used in this video, such as the stand, that's all I used, we have links below. We do sell those on our website. And if you want a toolkit for, I don't know, furthering your repairs, links below for that as well. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment. We reply to all the comments, or go on our website. Our phone number is there, and give us a call and we'd gladly assist. If you want us to complete this repair or any other repair on your Switch or other devices, check out our website, fill out the repair form, and send it in, and we'll take care of you. This has been Eddie with Joe's Gaming Electronics. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a phenomenal day.